to today's topic, remember, I am not a pro. I have put my ideas that I have learned in my experience. To photograph your quilling, the first thing to consider is your camera. In today's world, it is not that necessary to have an expensive camera, as you can use your smartphone. Most smartphones have good features to their camera. Next is lighting. Natural light is more effective. Take your quilling to be photographed to an open window which gives plenty of light. But make sure you are not putting it in direct sunlight as it gives harsh shadows. The other thing to consider is background. For a better background, I prefer using a small photo studio. I shared a video last week on how to make this at home. You can put pattern papers when you want to change the background. Now coming to the actual photographing. Take picture in different angles. Take overhead shots, side angle shots, and 45-degree shots. Here are some examples of overhead shots, side angle shots, and the 45-degree shots. The 45-degree shots are the one which brings out the 3D value of quilling. The shades and shadows formed by quilling is more visible in this angle. Take picture in close-ups and long shots. The close-ups show the details in our work. Also consider taking long shots. Here it also helps to show the size of the actual work. Show the quilling in its final presentation. I mean, pictures of quilling in a frame if you are going to finish it that way. You can also show the frame being put on a wall or placed on a table. This gives a better picture to people who are not quillers. Editing the photo. This is also important. Some basic edits are possible in smartphones, whereas photo editing apps and software like Photoshop provide more professional look. If you are going to sell your work in sites like Itsy, then prefer a clear background. When we add more elements other than quilling to beautify the setup, the buyers may get confused with what the actual product is, like some of the examples shown here. But this can be eliminated by few different ways, one of which is focusing the quilling work and giving a blurred background like in this. Anyway, there is a different topic of product photography. Hope you learned few things on how to photograph your quilling. If you have more points on photographing which you think I missed, do comment below. It will surely help me and fellow quillers in improving our skills. Next week we can see some tips and tricks on photographing your quilling. See you next week. Have a great weekend.